Good morning, pretty bird. Hey, be nice. There's enough for everyone. No fighting. Yeah, you tell them no fighting. We share. Yeah, good birds. Yes, you're a good bird. He's a pretty bird. Yeah, you're my pretty bird. You can't talk with your mouth full. Yes, pretty bird. Thank you. Giving the others trouble. Be nice. Hi up there. On the eaves trough, are you coming down? No, just hanging out? Alright. Hey, Moha. He's the one who's got the cardinal haircut. They're all around. They love it here. I love them visiting. The seventh secret. There are